First, this evening, Jamaica has recorded its first case of monkeypox. The male patient recently traveled from the United Kingdom. This was disclosed this afternoon by Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton at a press briefing. Anthony Lugg has the details.
When the Health Ministry announced an emergency media briefing Wednesday afternoon to address public health emergencies, Jamaicans were on edge. And when Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton addressed the nation,
Jamaica has its first confirmed case of monkeypox. The patient is a male who recently traveled from the United Kingdom. He presented to the public health system on July 5th, having arrived on the island some 5 days earlier.
the Health Ministry would not provide much details on the patient. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Besesa Mackenzie would only provide the parish the case was detected and actions being taken.
The case that we have is in the parish of Clarendon, and we would have started the contact tracing and would have quarantined the very close contacts. And we do not anticipate any risk to the communities that are involved.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness and the Cabinet have been briefed on the monkeypox case in the island. In response to the confirmed case, emergency protocols have been activated.
Among other things, our Emergency Operations Center has been activated. A review of all isolation facilities is to be done to look at the capacity to manage both monkeypox and COVID-19. The necessary health protocols, including surveillance, clinical management, lab management, as well as infection prevention and control, are being completed for the distribution to health teams island-wide.
Monkeypox is an infectious disease transmitted from animals to humans. However, when a person comes in contact with another human or material contaminated with the virus, it can be transmitted.
It is a fairly mild disease. However, the public needs to be aware of the risk of getting the disease, and so therefore to take the necessary precautions. If you are carrying out the COVID precautions in terms of wearing the mask, keeping your physical distancing, then you will prevent the spread of monkeypox as well.
And with the latest development in the country, this appeal from the Health Minister.
It's not a reason to be uncertain or scared. We are informing you as soon as we got confirmation so that you are aware. And I think we have a duty to make you aware. But this information is not intended to cause anyone to be unduly alarmed, except that personal responsibility requires that you protect yourself.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.